Okay. Yeah? Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Are you alone here?
No, my wife.
Where is she?
She
You
is
want some?
on the tour, and
Oh, yeah?
I guess I'm getting an Uber.
You want some water? It's a little, oh, it's pretty, you need maybe, you want to look at this car? Ah. Yeah. You can let go of your glasses, it's broken.
Yeah, it's a total.
It's very small. Are you okay? Yeah? Sure.
I'm scraped up.
You alright? Oh my god, you're bleeding. You're
Over here?
bleeding, yeah.
I hit my head on the way I scraped it.
Shit.
Sorry.
You have napkins? He's bleeding. You should sit down maybe.
Yes.
You should sit down.
I was just trying to get up.
Anybody has a little bit of water?
Don't have any water. I've got some Kleenex.
Yeah, he's bleeding. He just fell. He just passed out and fell.
Yeah, I was a little busy.
Glass cleaner, dear?
Your glasses is broken. You can.